Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make collagen water at home. This simple process allows you to enjoy the benefits of collagen in a refreshing drink, supporting your skin, hair, and joint health. We'll cover everything from selecting the right ingredients to mixing and storing your homemade collagen water. It's an easy way to incorporate this beneficial supplement into your daily routine. To get started, you'll need just a few basic items. First, choose a high-quality, unflavored collagen peptide powder. Next, grab some filtered water. This ensures the best taste for your drink. You'll also need a whisk or spoon for thorough mixing, and a glass bottle or jar is perfect for storing your finished collagen water. Gather these, and you're ready for the next step. Now, let's mix it up. Start by adding 1 to 2 scoops of your chosen collagen peptides into a glass. Next, pour 8 to 12 ounces of filtered water over the powder. It's important to stir vigorously with a whisk or spoon until the collagen is completely dissolved. You want to ensure there are no clumps, creating a smooth and enjoyable drink. This step is key for a pleasant texture. Once your collagen water is mixed, you can enhance its flavor. Try adding a squeeze of lemon or lime juice, or even some fresh fruit slices like berries or cucumber for a refreshing twist. For storage, keep your prepared collagen water in a sealed container in the refrigerator. It's best to consume it within 2 to 3 days to ensure maximum freshness and effectiveness. Enjoy your homemade collagen water.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.